Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to buy the Hashflow token. Obviously not financial advice, but I'm just going to show you how to safely, easily, and cheaply purchase this token for anyone that doesn't know how. As we can see, Hashflow is starting to get some search volume. If we look at the different keyword phrases here, it definitely had a big spike in November and has come down a little bit in December, but overall it is on an upwards trajectory, and Hashflow advertises itself as the future of trading. You can trade any asset on any chain in seconds. They claim to have $11 billion in total volume, no commissions, no surprises. And if we go to CoinMarketCap, it says it allows you to trade with zero slippage. It offers fully native cross-chain swap functionality with the use of bridges or synthetic assets, enabling seamless trading across one or more chains with guaranteed price execution. So how do you buy the HFT token? Well, if you go to CoinMarketCap, search up the official Hashflow token and click on markets, you can actually see all of the centralized and decentralized places where it is trading. And there are quite a few choices. Now, out of these platforms, the best ones to use are going to be Binance if it's available in your country. Coinbase is very expensive. Although it's safe, I don't recommend it because of the high fees. After Binance, KuCoin is the next best option, which is what this video tutorial we're going to do because it's available in 200 plus countries. And I will link to all of the good choices in the description of this video because on RankFi.com, I have compared all of these crypto exchanges extensively, as you can see on the screen, and I will put the cheapest, best options in the description. For most people, Binance and KuCoin will be the best choice. But my recommendation is going to be KuCoin because it works in any country that you're watching this from. And it offers no KYC, so you can sign up with just an email address, deposit crypto, and buy the HFT token. And as you can see, KuCoin does have pretty high volume. It's one of the biggest exchanges in the world, close to Binance and Coinbase. Now, if Binance supports one of your fiat currencies, I recommend using Binance. However, for every other country in the world, KuCoin is one of the best options that doesn't require KYC. So click the link in the description to make sure you get a discount on KuCoin, and let's sign up. So when you click that link, it'll go to a page like this, and it's just going to ask for a phone number or an email. I recommend putting in your email address and then create a password. So I'm going to do that real quick and then come back. And all I did was enter an email address, verify it, and I made a KuCoin account within a couple minutes. And the first thing you're going to want to do is click the deposit button, and you're going to want to deposit crypto from one of your exchanges in your local country. When you click this, you can deposit any coin. I recommend doing USDT, but you can do any coin you like. And when you click on USDT, click select a network, you will just copy your address and transfer crypto over. Now, if we click back on this overview tab here in the top left, these are your main accounts, and the crypto will probably be deposited in either your main account or your trading account. If it's deposited in your main account, you can just click transfer here and click transfer from main account to trading account. It will instantly trade over so we can buy the Hashflow token. Once your KuCoin account is funded, it's very simple. You will just click the trade button here, kind of in the middle of the screen, or you can go to the top here and click spot trading. That will take you into the trading dashboard, and in the bottom right you have the spot where you can place your limit orders, market orders, and so on, and the order books in the top here. And then we're going to look at the top left of the screen here. Click this drop down where you can select your coins, and then if you type in HFT, you can see it has a USDT and a USDC trading pair. So we're going to click USDT, and then you would just go to the bottom right corner of the page, put in a market order if you want to do that instantly, or a limit order if you want to try to get a better rate. Now, KuCoin has 0.1% trading fees, so it's a very cheap exchange on par with Binance. And it's actually asking me to set up a trading password for security, so it just wants a PIN number here. But that's how simple it is to buy the Hashflow token. And one more very important thing, if we go back to the main account, and this is why I recommend KuCoin, and we click withdraw here. So let's say you bought it, you want to withdraw your funds. It's going to first ask you to do some security settings. So I'm going to do this real quick. And now KuCoin's happy. We can withdraw our crypto. And here's the main thing I wanted to show you. The remaining daily withdrawal amount is 1 Bitcoin. So I didn't put any KYC in, and it's letting me withdraw 1 Bitcoin every 24 hours. This is a brand new account I just set up within a couple minutes, and I recommend you send all of your crypto to a hardware wallet or a wallet where you own your private keys. Not that KuCoin isn't safe, but we've seen what's happened with crypto exchanges in the last couple of years. So that's how you buy the token on KuCoin, a no KYC exchange, and this is one of the best, cheapest ways that I know of how to buy it. Drop a like if this was helpful, and again, I will put a discount code for KuCoin in the description. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.